folks.
Hope you're all okay. Well, today we're off again on another motorhome adventure.
Yes, on a beautiful sunny day.
Yeah, and we're off to Overbrook Campsite in Malton Gate, which is Thornton Le Dale. Campsite is part of Tranquil Parks and it is an adult only site.
Thornton Le Dale, the home of Bangers and Cash.
Yes, so if you watch that on television like Tony does, you will know.
Yeah, for those that haven't got a clue, then it doesn't matter.
You'll see it. If hopefully we can go and have a look round. I don't know whether we'll be able to, but we'll show you.
It's a famous motor auction house.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So anyway, we'll take you with us, and we'll see you when we get a little bit closer.
Yeah.
Archie's with us, so he's just here. Let me just see if I can show you Archie.
He's ready for the journey.
Can you see him? Don't know whether you can.
Yeah.
Tony's got a little bit of something to tell you about our sat-nav. We've got a new one.
The Avtec Tourer 3, which is a dedicated caravan and motorhome club edition. So it's got all their sites in there. And basically we took it out of the box, plugged it in, did all the software updates, did all the map updates, which is for the UK and the whole of Europe. And all I did was input Overbrook Campsite, and it found it, press the button, and away we go.
Yeah, and this was one of our presents from Santa at Christmas. If you remember, we had 2 presents. Well, this was one of them, and it's the first time we're using it today.
Yeah, we'll talk more about it later in the video.
Morning everyone. I just thought I'd show you our pitch. It's what time is it, Tony? 8:59.
8:59 precisely.
Yeah, and I'll put it up there on the microwave. Don't know if you can see that. And there's a lot of people still in their well, not motorhomes, caravans. So I'm being very quiet. And there we are. And our electric, if I go to the back, is just down there, look. We've got quite a small pitch actually, because our van being just over 6 metres with the bike on the back, they put us on a small pitch. So, in front of you, as you can see, the roadway's not that wide, so it was a bit tricky, wasn't it, getting onto the pitch?
It was a bit of a struggle,
yeah, but we're of the mind that you shouldn't reverse onto the grass, because, you know, that's what you're told not to do. So Tony very carefully reversed, and he had to do about a 3-point reverse turn, if you know what I mean. Anyway, then somebody came in that van next to us, just through there, that one.
That's a 7-metre van.
Yeah, 7-metre van, but he's on a longer pitch, isn't he? They put him on a slightly longer pitch. But when he reversed, he went straight over the grass to get on his pitch. It's a beautiful campsite though, isn't it? It's really very quiet. Yeah. If you want tranquil, this is it.
And it's only a 10-minute walk into the village through the woods.
Yeah, so we're going to do that this morning.
Half a mile, they say.
Yeah, we didn't get back to you yesterday. I mean, we got here at just after lunchtime, but on the way here...
Just stuck in a lot of traffic on the A64. Yeah.
We thought we'd got through it, and then there was another traffic jam. But I think it's because it's a single carriage, isn't it?
Well, it goes from dual carriage to single, and I think it's just sheer volume of traffic.
Yeah.
Everybody was off to maybe Scarborough. It's the main York to Scarborough road.
Yeah, so, you know, it's
Yeah.
Easter holidays, isn't it, as well? But then, obviously, we turned off for Thornton Le Dale, and then everything went quiet and peaceful. And as I say, the campsite is really quiet. We did have a look at the dog walk yesterday. Archie went to the dog walk, and then just get him. Look,
It's just a.
he's scratching at the door. Look,
He is. I don't know what he
we don't
wants.
know what he wants, because he's been out about 3 times this morning for a walk round. There is a dog walk, which is, it goes down a slope and it's a nice big field. There's a walk, is it 10 minutes or just over 10 minutes through the woods? So we're going to do that today, and we'll film that for you. You can go also by the road, can't you?
Yes.
And
if you
walk
want,
into
yeah.
the village, and you pass some cottages. So we'll have a look. We'll probably do one way going, and the other way we'll come back through the woods, or vice versa. So that's what we're going to do today. It's beautiful and really, really still.
Yeah.
There's no wind or anything. That's why we've got the canopy up, because there's nothing at all. So
It's gonna be a nice day today.
yeah, it was hot yesterday, wasn't it?
It was.
Quite hot yesterday, and I think it's going to be the same today. And then
Yeah.
maybe, is it tomorrow it breaks up a bit, Sunday?
Yeah.
So
Back to normal temperatures.
Yes.
For
So
April.
that's what we're going to do. It's a bit nippy now, or even though the sun's
Yeah.
out, but
It's going to be a high of 18, it says.
yeah, it's really nice. I, you know, recommend it to anybody. People are lovely on here. Oh, last night we did have fish and chips.
Yes, on a Friday, the fish and chip van arrives.
Yeah, and the fish and chips were lovely.
Yeah.
Really nice.
It's there from 4:15 to 5:15, so it's only here an hour.
Yeah, it's not here all night.
No. but-
And people that live in the village, they can come to it as well. It's open to everybody.
yeah.
So yeah, it's quite handy. And we weren't going to have fish and chip. We won't say what we were going to have,
right,
because
yeah.
we're going to have that tonight, and we'll show you. But Archie, what did he go and do? Forgot to pack his.
Oh, right, is meat treats for when we have to jab him.
Yes, so we thought, oh no, what we're going to do? Anyway, we managed to get away with it the first time. Was it last night? Yeah, we did.
We
with
presented
a
a carrot,
and he just
by the time he sniffed at it and wondered
cocked
what
his
it
nose
was,
up.
we jabbed him. We
But
injected him.
he
and-
wasn't happy, because he knows he has piece of
Yes.
beef. So anyway, what we did while we were having the fish and chips, we saved him some of the cod,
Yeah.
and he's had that this morning with his with his injection.
With his jab.
And he thought, this is a different taste. He liked it,
Different
didn't he?
treat, yeah.
Yeah, so he does like fish. Anyway, we'll finish there, and we'll get off and do some filming for you.
Yes.
So we'll
Out and about.
see
yeah.
you later on. Bye for now.
Bye now.
We've just come out of the campsite, which is just there.
I think it was an old railway station.
Yes, it was. Many years ago.
Yeah. And they've got cottages.
Yeah, there's little cottages that you can rent out. And then there's the campsite at the bottom, isn't there? We're walking down through the village to the village centre, where
Yes.
there's a few shops.
We're going to go via the woods.
Yeah, we're going to go through the woods, aren't we, Tony?
Yes, that's the plan.
That's the plan.
We've heard it's very picturesque.
Yes. Still a bit nippy, isn't it? What time is it now?
It's
About 9:30?
9:45.
9:45. Probably better to come out at this time. Hopefully there won't be quite so many people around, because
It's going to be quite warm this afternoon.
yes, and Archie sort of gets a bit hot and bothered, doesn't he?
Yeah.
There's a lovely little stream just here. We did walk up to this like yesterday, didn't we?
Yeah.
Well, I call it a Tuttle Brook. That's what we used to call it.
Mini waterfall.
Yeah, look. It's very clear. Oh, this is lovely, look.
Come on, Archie.
Over the bridge arch. There we go. That's it. He's a bit wary of this bridge, look. He's not keen. And that's that side. I mean, what a lovely cottage. And you've got that stream in front of you, at the side of you, and at the back of you. Watch you don't fall in. Trouble is, God, you can't see what he's doing. It's like you have to be his eyes now.
Well, I can't see.
No.
I just stumbled down the steps, or of course you can't see the steps.
No, you've got to guide him. Go on, Archie, I'm coming. We were saying yesterday, because as I say, we walked up this far. There's a car there, look. With this being a Ford.
Have to come over the ford.
Yeah. So if it in the winter, if it gets flooded, you wouldn't get out, would you? Hey. It's so pretty. Anyway, another little bridge. Archie managed this bridge, did he? All right.
Yeah.
The stream that side. So you see that cottage has got the stream both sides of it. It's lovely.
Very nice.
Come on, Archie.
Yeah, the water is crystal clear.
Yeah, it is, isn't it? It's crystal clear. So, let's see where we go now. Oh, look, there's another little cottage here.
So this is a drive to different properties.
Yeah. I think we have to veer off here,
I
don't
think
we?
this is the path through the woods.
Yes.
We don't need to open the gate again. Because
No,
they come all
round it. Round the gate. Oh, isn't this lovely?
Yeah.
I think we'll come and live here. How about that?
For a view conservatory
Yeah,
overlooking the little brook.
yeah. A lady in there tidying up.
Yes, very quiet here. You can hear the birds singing.
Outside the motorhome, you can hear the birds, can't you?
Yeah.
This is a lovely house as well.
I like the way they've done the hedges, pyramid fashion.
Yeah, that's nice, isn't it? Being nosy. Beautiful though. So onward through the woods. It smells very much like garlic. If anybody does know, and you know, and you can tell me that I'm wrong, that's fine.
It's got white.
It's got like little white flowers on it, but it smells
A
very
garlic
much
bulb
like
has
garlic.
Like a,
So buttercups. It's very pleasant, isn't it? A lovely walk. You've got fields through the trees either side, and that one's a field with some sheep. And just as we walk around this bend, we're coming up to a little waterfall, but it's loud. It's lovely listening to the birds as you walk.
Thornton Le Dale is a picturesque village in North Yorkshire, known for its charming historic buildings, a stream running through the village, and its location on the edge of the North Yorkshire Moors National Park, often considered one of the prettiest villages in Yorkshire.
And then we're coming up the little gap in the fence. Archie's trying to manoeuvre his way through. Oh, look at the crows. Look at the nests up there as well.
Crow's nests. Centre.
Yeah, village centre, and there's a car park with a wheelchair access. We've walked along the road, and now it's like a little park. Which way shall we go?
The car park there.
Yeah.
With coaches.
Yeah.
I wonder if you can park your
Yeah,
motorhome.
well, there's a van lot over there.
Yeah.
So, I mean, if you wanted to pop here just for a day, if you're in the area, there is a car park here.
Yeah.
There's no barrier, is there?
No, I don't think there's you can't stay overnight, but you could stay for the day.
Yeah. There's a pond here, look.
Large pond here.
There's a duck over the other side. And then you've got the little brook this side. Right, well, we're coming out of this little park area. Very pretty. And we've got another little bridge to cross over.
And there's the village.
Yeah, and then we're in the village.
It was about 10 minutes. Isn't it?
Yeah, it's not long, is it?
No, it's a 10-minute walk.
And we've not rushed, obviously, because we've got Archie with us. And he stops every 2 minutes. Go over the bridge. Logs, Tony. He didn't mention it.
Oh, look at that.
There's a little coffee shop just here. Might have to pop there. Green in the middle where you can sit. Some shops this way. Oh, the chocolate factory. Some little shops along here. We walk past the village shops towards the Beck thatched cottage. Now this cottage was built in the 17th century. This cottage is a must-see for anyone that visits Thornton Le Dale. It's a cottage that has been seen on lots of chocolate boxes, jigsaw puzzles and calendars. Very pretty along here. It's beautiful. There's lots and lots of daffodils. I mean, some of them are going off a bit now, but it's very pretty. They're all along there. Oh, look at that house there. And the birds are still cheeping. And here's some seagulls as well. Ducks flying by. Oh, they're pretty. Look, the tulips.
Where we started the walk.
Yeah, I say we're back now, aren't we? Not far, is it?
No.
Archie will be ready for a rest when we get back. Yep, back at the campsite.
Join us in part 2, where I show you some of the features of the Avtec 3 sat-nav. I also show you what our second present for Christmas was, and we put that to some good use. We take you back to the village and visit Bangers and Cash. So we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.